Hello everyone, have a good day. I am Carlos from HUFA Kitchenware Factory. Today I will show you our kitchen utensil set from our HUFA series. And now let's take a look at the different styles we offer.
Style 1, Style 2, Style 3, Style 4, Style 5, Style 6, Style 7, Style 8, Style 9, Style 10, Style 11, Style 12, Style 13, Style 14. It can be used at home or in restaurants. Not picky about the theme.
And here is our price list. And also let's go to the factory to see the production house. If you are interested in our kitchen utensil set and you want to know more about the price and the other details, please leave a comment